So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2023 paper 2, which is from the structure of atom chapter. In this question what has been asked is, for a helium plus, a transition takes place from orbit of radius 105.8 picometer to the orbit of radius 26.45 picometer. The wavelength in nanometer of the emitted photon during the transition is. So the answer should be 30.38, but how it will come? Let us start the solution. We know that the radius of the nth orbit of the Bohr orbit will be like this, and 1 angstrom is this, and 1 picometer is this. So 1 angstrom in picometer will be 10 to the power 2 picometer. So now radius of the n2 of the helium plus will be like this, 105.8. So from this equation we can get the orbit of the helium plus from where the transition is happened. So n2 is 2. So we can say that the radius, when the radius is 105.8, the value of or the orbit number is 2. Second orbit is the orbit, and r n1 helium plus will be 52.5 n1 square by 2 picometer, which is 26.45. So from that we can calculate, we can get the lower level of the lower level for the transition, which is 1. Now we know the higher level is 2 and lower level is 1. Now transition happens from the 2 to 1. So that's why when we use the Rydberg formula, when we get the lambda as the 1 by 3 RH. Here 2 is what, because the transition happened in the helium plus, so the admin number is Z. That's admin number is 2. So from that we can calculate the value of lambda, which is 1 by 3 RH, and RH value is given here. So from that we get the wavelength of the radiation which will emit. So the answer should be 30.838 nanometer. So that's why the answer is 30.38 nanometer. Thank you so much for listening.